Hello everyone, welcome to Nisha's Maths Master Class, and today we are going to learn again the next problem set, that is 1.3 and lesson number rational number and irrational number from standard 8th, and the topic is decimal representation of rational number. Okay, so in that topic terminating recurring decimal form and non-terminating decimal recurring form is there. Children, everyone pay attention. Now we have to divide 4 by 7. Pay attention here. See, numerator and denominator. So when we divide the number, so that time we have to write down this denominator number outside the sign, and this numerator number we have to write down inside the house. Got it, children? See, now 4 ones are 4, because 4 twos are 8. It is not possible to minus 8 from 7, therefore we have to take 4 ones are 4. Now 7 minus 4 we get 3. Okay, and afterward we put the decimal point over there on the quotient, and now 0 we have to write down downside, so 30 is there. Now 4 sevens are 28, correct? So we have to write down 4 sevens are 28. Now we have to subtract 28 from 30. Okay, so we get 2 there, and again we have to put 0 afterwards, so the number is 20. Now 4 fives are 20. Understood, children? Now this is our answer, 1.75. Okay, now moving to the next question, that is means 5 upon 6. Again this is denominator number which we have to write down outside the sign, and this numerator number we have to write down inside the sign. Okay, now 6 and 5. 6 zeros are 0. First we have to take 6 with zeros are 0, because 6 ones are 6. We have to we should not write down there 6 ones are 6. Okay, so we have to write down here 0. Now 5 minus 0, 5 is there. Okay, and we have to put point over there. So because of the point we have to write down 0. Okay, now 6 and 15. Okay, 6 8s are 48. Okay, so now 48 subtract from 48, we have to minus from 50. Okay, then we get here 20, means 2, correct? Then we have to put again 0 over there, so this is 20. Okay, now 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, so we have to take here 3s are. Okay, now 20 minus 18, again 2 is there. Okay, again we have to write down 0, again we have to write down 6 3s are 18. Again see, children, 2 is repeated here. Okay, and it is not stopped, continuously 2 is repeated here, therefore we have to put, when we write down the answer of this question, so we have to write down 0.83, and above we have to write down just only point, and because of that point we came to know that the 3 is repeated again and again afterwards. Okay, so this is our answer. Understood, everyone? Now see, children, again one more question is there. And the next question, that is means 5 upon 6 over. Now next, that is means 22 upon 7. 22 upon 7. Okay, third one. Again we have to write down like this. 7 we have to write down denominator number outside the house, and 22 we have to write down inside the house. Okay, so 7 3s are 21. We all are know that. Okay, so 22 minus 21, 1 is there. Okay, and we have to put the 0 over there, and we have to put for that purpose point, because of decimal point we call that. 7 2s are 7 1s are 7. 3 is there. Again we have to write down 0 is there. 7 4s are 28. 2 is there. Again 20 is there. Okay, so 7 2s are 14. Again 6 is there. Okay, 7 8s are 56. Now we have to subtract 56 from 60. So we get 4 over there. Okay. And again we have to put 0 over there. So 40 is there. Seven fives are 35. Place is not there. So we have to write down here. So 40 minus 35. 40 minus 35 we get 5. Okay. Again we have to put the 0 there. Seven sevens are 49. Okay. Then again we get 1 there. We have to put again 1 0 over there. Now 7 ones are 7. Again we get 3 there. Now see children. 3. Again suppose we have to put 0 over there. So again 30 is there. Okay. Means this number and this number again repeated here. Got my point everyone? So 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. Again the same digits are repeated. 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. So therefore we have to put the line on the numbers. Okay. Got it everyone? So this is called decimal representation of rational numbers. Okay. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.